beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a very festive video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how do I plan to get ready for the festive season. It's basically a festive get ready with me. I've partnered with Urban Company for a part of this video for their salon at home services. So let's dive right into this video. Before you do that, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account, and now let's dive right into it. To get me festive ready, I called for Urban Company's Salon at Home service for women. I have used their salon services at home before this and was very satisfied. That's why I decided to try their new classic salon, which was even more affordable than last time. With my hectic schedule, going to a parlor is almost always challenging, and I needed a wax and a manicure desperately. Until I first tried this service at home, I always used to think that it would be expensive because it's being done at home and also messy, but was happy to see that not just the services were up to the mark and budget friendly, but also the person who came in left the place completely spick and span. So it makes me more confident to book their services more often now. If you are a new mom like me or a working professional for whom time is always of essence, and if you are a cleanliness freak, I can recommend Urban Company's Salon at Home services for women to get you festive ready this season. So first, let's start with the base makeup. I'm going in with the e.l.f. primer followed by the MAC Strobe cream. Then I'm going to apply the Super Stay by Maybelline, my favorite foundation, and then the Fit Me concealer. So I'm using a buffing brush to buff everything into my skin. It basically helps sit the makeup well. Also, when I do a festive makeup, I like using a brush instead of a sponge. Then I'm going ahead and filling my brows. I'm using the K-Beauty brow pencil. It's really nice. The color is fairly similar to my brow color. I love bronzing my face. You guys know I loved that soft sun-kissed look, and I love bronzing even with my Indian wear. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm not going to contour but just bronze slightly. Going in with a nice flush of color as a blush. I love using a nice pop of color on my cheeks, and I love a good flushed look. So I'm using the blush here, blending it in very nicely and smoothly. Of course, going in with a highlighter, one of my favorite things to use ever, because it just gives you that beautiful glow on your skin, that glow from within. And not to forget, a highlighter works perfectly in the festive season to give you that very healthy, beautiful glow. Going in with eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe Nude eyeshadow palette. It's beautiful and it can create many looks for you. I'm going in with a soft brown color and putting it in my crease and blending it out well. I'm just going to do a very soft brown smoky eye look that I feel goes well with almost any outfit. I'm just blending everything nicely. I'm also going to take it in the outer corner, and then I'm also going to blend the same shade on my lower lash line. I went in with a slightly darker brown color to smoke out the lower lash line and the outer corner a little bit more. picking up some glitter. A gold glitter is what I'm using here and applying all over my lid. I tried using with a brush, but I always feel that glitters pick up better and are much more pigmented if you use your finger. So I'm going ahead and spreading that glitter out all over my lid very nicely. Then I'm going ahead with one of my favorite eyeliners. This is from Miss Claire. It's a beautiful matte eyeliner to create a wing. You guys know a winged eyeliner is my favorite and a go-to eyeliner of all times. Then I'm going to use a kohl pencil. So the one that I landed up using is another one from Bellora. It's a lot more pigmented, but I love the Lakme one as well. It's really nice and pigmented as well. I think Indian look is not complete without a nice kohl in your lower lash line. It just gives that edge. Going in with my Pac Pro eyelashes and some mascara. So even though I'm wearing false eyelashes, they are not too much for the look. I feel they look very natural, and then I'm also adding some mascara to complete the look. Going in with my favorite nude lipstick right now. This is from Natasha Moore. Love how this sits on the lips. It's a beautiful peachy pink shade, goes really well with my outfit. I love this color even during the day, even at night in fact, and it goes perfectly well with the outfit and also with the eye look. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the bindi, of course, which is very, very festive. It's slightly embellished, and I love bindi with my festive wear. That's the complete look, and I love this outfit. This is from one of my favorite brands called Paris Street. I love how they do Indian wear. It's edgy, it's festive, it's different. I love the gorgeous soft blush nude color. It's very me. I like soft muted shades quite a lot. I love this dupatta with this outfit. Part of the reason why I actually picked up the outfit. I paired this outfit with embellished heavy silver juttis with this gorgeous pearl ring, which is a huge one at that, and then these gorgeous golden jhumkas. Just trying to keep all the accessories nice and minimalistic with the outfit. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section what are your favorite festive looks this season. Needless to say, I love hearing from you guys. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. Until I see you next, guys, have a wonderful festive season, a very happy and prosperous Diwali to you and your loved ones. Lots of love. Take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.